What is this?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our new and hopeful contestants. Let us all hope that this aspiring duo will be the lucky ones who get to survive.
Get to survive.
Are you ready? I can't hear you. Woo-hoo! Let the games begin.
Is this some sort of wicked game show? What? I have a soft spot for game shows.
Tonight, we're going to play bomb toss. The rules are easy. I'm going to give you a bomb. Then, simply go from A to B and put the bomb in the bomb container. Here, give it a try. Toss it to each other a couple of times. Feels good, doesn't it? Good job! Oh, and I should probably mention this minor detail. The bomb will explode if you hold on to it for too long. So without further ado, start the show! This night's gonna be something else. Can you feel it?
I need to throw it soon! Got it! Dump the bomb! Phew.
You got it! Let's kick it up a notch. Same thing as before, but with a sprinkle of extra fun. Everybody ready? I know I am! Let's go!
Stay focused. That was only the warm-up. Only the warm-up? Let's go!
Ouch!
Hot potato! Fuse is getting short! Okay, I got the bomb! I got it! Now!
Breathtaking! Let's amp up the heat, shall we? Let's make things a bit more dangerous. And let wild emotions run, well, wild. All right, can't wait to see how this plays out.
It's open!
You made it. Great. I just... Was that... Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Never mind. What a thrill to broadcast live, isn't it? Now, my hopeful contestants, meet a friend of mine.
Get ready, Zoe. Bring it on! Put it in!
How did that happen? I didn't think they could... I didn't do this. This is my neck on the line, not yours. You're gonna have to just get him on the line as soon as... Oh, hey, we're back! Hello. Let's continue. Primetime TV show for the whole family. certain death.
We need to blow up that Jumbotron sucker before this whole arena collapses.
Die! Die! Die!